Righto. Trev, how have you found it?
Yeah, so it's just, I think the best thing for me is just easy to use on the computer. I had to set it all up, set the recipes up, set them, yeah, like all the weeds up. So for like identification, just put pictures in, everything. So I'm not that good on the computers, but it was pretty easy to use. Yeah, so yeah, pretty simple.
Yep.
That's probably the best thing for someone like me, just the weed sprayer.
Out of it that you weren't aware you were going to be getting when you first started using it?
Probably just the reporting stuff, like as far as we can like track our chemical for the month or whatever, so you can sort of see that and like budget.
Yeah, so you can click down on the chemicals.
Yeah,
and
I think
look at
it's good to see how much we're actually using that way.
Yep.
And like how, because I had to talk to the GIS officer, so I just export the file and send it straight to him, and he just sorted it out and puts it into our GORB mapping. So that was probably one thing.
Yep.
Just it was easy to transfer into our system.
So in terms of that, like not having to do your spray or that sort of stuff, how much time are you actually saving day to day by using this system?
It's hard to know, but I know that before we were doing 3 sets of spray records, so we'd track it on our phone with another device, track where we're walking or whatever, and then we'd have to go back and we'd fill that out, and then we'd have to fill out a paper form, and then we'd have to photocopy that and put it into our computer system. Whereas now it's just like we do our spray, we go back, and I just downsize the computer screen, screenshot the heat map and all the information with the weather, and I just send that through to our, like put it in our file that we've made, and that's our spray sheet. And then I just forward the GIS info straight through. So yeah, you just don't have to have all the other guys like filling out paperwork and that all the time that they don't want to do.
Yeah. So you'd be lucky if you're using 20% of the time as what you were previously.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Yep.